everybody, it's Charisma of Charisma's Corner, and we are in the little pink barn. And this is month 7 of Dazzle. And Dazzle was created with QT Fabrics' new basics line called Vibe. So it's behind us, the Dazzle quilt. It's a 9-month block of the month, but really only 8 months of sewing the blocks. And then the 9th month is putting it all together. And so we are really far into this process. This month is another easy month. It's very familiar with another month. It's a lot of half square triangles, but it is a great block and we're going to have a little bit of fun today. So the block that we're working on is these ones right here in the corners. So you can see that also on your pattern here. There's a couple different colorways here and here, here and here. So that is our block for today. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to start with our corner units. Those are half square triangles. You have your dark teal color and your background. And I've drawn a line and we're going to sew on both sides of that drawn line. Okay, and now we're going to cut on that line. Okay, now we're going to press those open. Okay, and for our next unit, we're going to take our big half square triangle of our background or our white, and we are going to sew our star points. And you want to make sure the orientation is correct with your red or in your purple, depending on which colorway you're working on, because you have to make sure that the orientation is correct so that when you put your star points together, it creates this elongated half square triangle. So we're going to go ahead and do the pink first. And then we'll go ahead and do the red. And all I'm doing is lining it up in that corner. And now you have a big half square triangle and you have 2 small ones. And you just want to make sure, again, that the orientation is correct because it makes a difference when you're using the background or the pinwheel. So make sure that the orientation is correct according to the pattern. And we have that half square triangle and we're going to sew it together with the big red one. And now we are just going to go ahead and put those together. Wasn't that quick? And here is our block all pressed and ready to go. Block 7. We are so close to the finish line. We have number 8. Yeah, number 8. 7 comes after 7 comes before 8. So we have number 8 left, and then we will be able to put this quilt together. And the time went by so quickly. So stay tuned for next month. I hope you'll share your project at #CharismaHorton, #Charisma's Corner. hashtag Charisma Horton Designs, QT Fabrics, please tag them. And also, um, you can visit all of my socials. And I'll see you next month. Hope you have a great day. Blessings.